Welcome to the fifth and the last video in our 5-video Working with the Media series. We need to look at ways we can draw helpful and effective interest and debate to ourselves and our businesses. So here we're going to look at 9 ways to attract positive media attention. Getting media attention can be easy if you know what to do. Some things take long-term planning, even though they'll seem to others as if they happened overnight. You'll need to focus on building relationships with the right people while you're also doing other things to get media attention. Let's take a look at some of the ways we could go about doing that. You could perhaps raise funds for a local cause. Don't raise funds in the hope of receiving press coverage, but do share with the press that you're doing it. The bigger the effort, and of course the more funds you raise, the more coverage you'll get. You can get coverage before, during, and after the event when you hand over the raised money to the intended cause. You could also throw annual events. A great way to get media attention is to host annual events. Even if they don't cover it today, they may cover your third event. Sure, that might seem like a long time away, but long-term planning is for everyone. You could even launch a new product. Anytime you launch a new product or update an old one to make it better, it's news. If you have connections with a journalist already, then you can send them an email about your updated or new product, but all the while try to appeal to human emotions. Anytime emotions are involved, it will often pull the heartstrings of the reporters and journalists, and they'll want to do the story. Remember, they're human too. If you can make them feel something, they'll really want to share the story. If at all possible, connect your story to a national issue. When you can relate your story to an issue of national merit, the local media will often take notice. It might help you to find a good copywriter to help you with a pitch such as this. One angle you could adopt is to reveal an amazing transformation. People love a good story. Think rags to riches, improving illness, or some other amazing transformation that makes all the difference to the audience. The media loves a good tearjerker, especially if it has a happy ending. A good thing to do is to organize a unique contest. Another great way to get the media's attention is to hold an interesting contest. The crazier the contest and the more it impacts people, the more attention it will get from the media. Should you happen to publish a book, bravo! Because local media loves books. If you've published a book with an interesting topic, that's a great thing to go with. Plan a book reading and signing at a locally owned bookstore and send out a press release. Whatever you do, when it comes to the media, you need to give them what they need. Many local newspapers and magazines have sections in them where they highlight local businesses. That's often a great place to start with your pitch. Notice how they present the stories and try to match your pitch to it. If you play your cards right, you can be in front of mind for all the local reporters that do stories about your niche. Just remember, this is the long term and not for a flash in the pan business. That concludes the final video in our 5-video series about working with the media. Thanks for listening.